New arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1969 Camaro, Yenko Re-Creation, ZL1 drivetrain, LT4 Supercharged, 10-speed automatic, built, tuned. This thing gets it. Hotchkis suspension, rack and pinion, four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors, tilt wheel, ice cold air, custom gauges, 119 miles on the restoration. I mean, this thing is nice. Nice. New in the wrapper. We're located at Fenton, Missouri. We're in the suburbs of St. Louis, about 25 miles from the International Airport. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Be more than happy to answer any of the questions that you have. This puppy is fantastic. ZL1 drivetrain, 10-speed automatic. Drives like a new one, looks like an old one. This is not a real Yenko, but it is a recreation with the ZL1 drivetrain, LT4 Supercharged, tuned, headers, 10-speed automatic. This thing is nice. Super nice paint underneath. It's done up. Suspension's done up correctly to handle the drivetrain. It's new in the wrapper. Love this car. Full gauges, ZL1 drivetrain. If you'd like to fly in person, just forward us your flight itinerary. Be more than happy to pick you up from the airport, take you to one of our 3 warehouses full of classics. We'll take it out for a ride. We'll put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. Got great financing, great terms, usually 10% down does the trick. We, as a courtesy service, can arrange transportation, I should say, not provide, but we can arrange transportation as a courtesy service. So we can get this car in your driveway. Take this for a ride. This thing is a blast to drive. I would say probably it's right there with my favorite, or it is my favorite car that we've got in the last 25 years. This thing is just, as far as the quality, the restoration, the drivetrain, the power, the look, it just checks all the boxes. Now, this thing will get it. Phone 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark Ravenard. I'm the owner. I answer the phone, so if you have any questions, want to buy it, give me a call. Yeah, that was yellow. This is just a fantastic car. Effortlessly. Just a fun car to drive. What's not to like? We've got the ZL1 drivetrain, LT4 Supercharged, 10-speed automatic, ice cold air, vintage digital gauges. They look stock, but they're upgraded. I believe they're Dakota. Upgraded sound system, vintage air, ice cold air. feathering the throttle. 314-346-6039, 314-346-6039. Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri, just outside of St. Louis. www.westportautocenter.com. Thanks for watching.